Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this natural hair leave-in conditioner. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sylvia. I make DIY skincare and hair care products. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this leave-in conditioner to moisturize your natural hair. And with this leave-in conditioner, after moisturizing your hair can last 2 to 3 days before you re-moisturize your hair again. So let's get started. So to make this natural hair leave-in conditioner, this so you can use it on relaxed hair. I'm going to start with my ingredients. Here I have my emulsifying wax. Emulsifying wax help bind the water and the oils together. And I'm starting with my oil phase with this leave-in conditioner. So the first is my emulsifying wax, and the next I added is my cetyl alcohol. It helped with the smoothness of the leave-in conditioner. And the next I use my shea butter, and also I use grapeseed oil. And for my water phase, I'm using distilled water and rose hydrosol. And the next is my glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant. It draws water from the atmosphere into your hair. And with the use of glycerin in this leave-in conditioner, moisturizing your hair stays longer. After moisturizing your hair stays longer. And ideally I will advise using this leave-in conditioner twice a week is okay for maximum results. So after measuring out my oil phase and my water phase, place it in a hot water bath over a low heat, and after melting, at this point I poured in the water into the oil phase. So as usual, I'm going to drop the measurements and ingredient on the screen, so you can feel free to screenshot it for later use. So after pouring the water phase into the oil phase, then I'm going to blend. I'm using my immersion blender to do this. So I'll blend for some seconds and I will pause. Then at this point, at the cool down phase, you've seen that the leave-in conditioner has thickened up. And if you don't know how to know when it's cool down, it's time to add your cool down ingredient. And with the thermometer, you measure. Once you have 100 degree Fahrenheit, then you start adding your cool down phase. At this point, I'm starting with my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil serves as an antioxidant. I'm helping the oils not to go rancid in this leave-in conditioner. And after adding my vitamin E oil, I'm going to mix it. And the next I added is my preservative. For my preservative, I use Liquid German Plus. Liquid German Plus will help extend the shelf life of this leave-in conditioner. And also remember that with your preservative, and it's also lasts whenever your preservative is expiring, that's when your leave-in conditioner. And also make sure you check the expiration date of your oils and butters before making this leave-in conditioner. After my preservative, the next I added is my essential oil. Feel free to use any essential oil of choice. And at this point, this is my leave-in conditioner. And this, I love the consistency. The texture is okay. This is not too light and not too thick for your hair. It will not weigh down your hair strands. So guys, at this point, the next step is to check the pH. The pH of this leave-in conditioner is 5, which is okay for your hair and your scalp. And the next is to transfer it into a sterilized container and start using right away. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial to this point. If you have any questions, don't forget to use the comment section, and I will be there to reply your questions. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, if it's your first time of seeing my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to share this video to family and friends that might be interested in this leave-in conditioner. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.